spiny skin we can observe in this Echinodermata phylum animals. Echinodermata means spiny. Okay, now skin is present. Spiny skin we can observe in these animals. Okay, and already told that one echinoderms are exclusively which animals are? Marine animals. Marine animals. Marine animals. After which phylum they are exclusively marine? Ctenophora. Ctenophora also exclusively marine, and echinoderms also exclusively marine animals. Means it is only present in the seawater. Remember? Plus I already told that one digestive system. Before the digestive system they are triploblastic, bilateral symmetry is present and radial symmetry. But radial symmetry we can observe in adult. Bilateral symmetry is in larva stage. Larva stage it is present that. Okay. But today class we are going to discussing a special feature of Echinodermata. What is the name? Water vascular system. Water vascular system. I already said another name of water vascular system, ambulacral system. Ambulacral system. Sometimes they can use this word also, students. Don't be confused. Okay. Ambulacral system. Plus digestive system also, complete or incomplete? Complete digestive system. Okay now. Orally which one is oral? Oral surface, which surface we can call? Ventral surface. Aboral? Dorsal. Means dorsal nalli anus is present. Dorsal nalli anus and mouth is present in ventral. Remember? Okay. So now we can discuss about that. Idu on the starfish. Starfish scientific name is called Asterias. Asterias. Okay. But here I already yesterday drawn that from the two diagrams, dorsal and ventral surface. Dorsal surface nalli which one is present? Anus is present. Anus idre, that is called oral or aboral? Aboral surface. Suppose idu anus region anta tilkoda. Ee anus region near agi innondu one small opening is present, that is called madreporite anta karitara. Madreporite. Clear? So ee madreporite. So madreporite, it is completely the opening from through this madreporite only. Which one is enter into the body? That is water is enter into the body now. Okay. Okay, now this is water vascular system. Water vascular system engedenta nanu okay ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ in detail ಆಗಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You see, this is the water vascular system. So here also canals are completely moving. How many radial arms are present in the starfish? 5 radial arms are present like this. 5 radial arms, 5 canals are completely moves. This canal is called the mass. This canal is called the mass. Which one? The radial canal. Radial canal. Next, madreporite. It is completely open into. Madreporite is completely open into. Okay, a ring radial canal only. This is called the mass. Stone canal anta kirtira. Stone canal. Next, this is called lateral canal. Lateral canal. So lateral canal in the next to go ille, that is called, which one is present? Tube feet. Tube feet are completely. These are called tube feet. Tube feet. Like all sides, not only one arm only, and I'm drawing that one, all sides. These are called tube feet. Tube feet. Same here also. In all sides it is present. Okay. So one tube feet I'm drawing separately. This is about the tube feet. A tube feet is commonly having 3 parts. This part is called ampulla. Ampulla. Second one is called sucker. And third one is called the mass. Okay. Second one is called podium. Last one is called sucker. These 3 parts are called tube feet. Ampulla, podium, sucker, and the 3 parts are there in the every tube feet. Okay. So water, how the water will be enter? Water is entered through which one? The madreporite region. Okay na? This is anus region. Idu anus anta tilkodi. Okay na? So next one, madreporite in the water entry is takes place. Water entry is takes place. Next one, water entry through stone canal. It is enter into which canal? Radial canal. Radial canal ge water enter aitu. You see completely ella radial canal ge ee water hogutte like this. All radial canal. It completely get the water once the water is entered. Next, here also radial canal in the commanda. Which canal water is entered? Lateral canal. So lateral canal in the now the water is enter into which one? The tube feet. These tube feet are completely emerges to outside. It looks like a finger-like structure. Are you observing that one? When the starfish movement is takes place, some videos if you are observed in the YouTube, okay na? The tube feet only come to outside. It looks like a finger-like projection. Now finger-like projections yavudu tube feet. These tube feet having that one the three parts. That is called ampulla, and the second one is called podium. Third one is called sucker. Three parts are present, and these tube feet is emerges to outside. It is helpful for swimming. Plus water, once they will enter into that one, the water, if they will enter into that one, the tube feet, and through the sucker it will be goes to outside. It will be goes to outside through sucker itself only. Clear, students? So when this water movement is occurs, what is the major biochemical reactions are takes place, or biochemical activities are takes place andre? Come on, what is the first one? Locomotion. Ekandre tube feet are completely comes to outside. Now each side, this side anta barde, but actually tube feet are comes to outside. If they will comes to outside only, it is helpful for the locomotion. Plus it is having the sensing nature also there. Okay. Next, ide water vascular system in the one more function also there. They can helpful for capturing the food and transporting the food. Third one in the excretion also it is helpful. Next one in the respiration also it is helpful. Respiration, excretion, even reproduction also. Which one? The reproduction. So reproduction only mainly gametes. Here also male and females are separate is there. Male is produces sperms and female is produces eggs directly into the water only. Adike which fertilization takes place in the echinodermata? Yes, external fertilization. Matte how gametes are released to outside andre through tube feet only. Two feet only they will come to outside. That's why water canal system idre food capturing agutare. Yakandre ee water inda any other paramecium abodu, amoeba abodu, like other organisms, larva abodu, it is enter into that. But through the radial canal abodu, through the lateral canal abodu, so many cells are there. Our cells will be captured that from the food, and after the capturing and food to transport agbekandraenu, this water vascular system is helpful. Understood, students? Okay, na? What is the functioning of water vascular system? Water vascular system first function? Locomotion. Why? Because tube feet formation agbekanದ್ರೆ water compulsory enter agbeku, adike it is helpful for locomotion. Second, transporting, capturing and transporting of the food. What about third one? Respiration. Fourth, excretion, and the last one, reproduction. These are about the five major important functions are there for water canal. Water vascular system, not water canal system. Water canal system is present in poriferans nalli water canal system is present. Idu water vascular system or umbilical system andrenu karitav. Okay, adike are you observe that one? Okay, so these are umbilical grooves we can observe. Umbilical grooves, but umbilical grooves are commonly present in the dorsal surface, ventral surface. Umbilical grooves we can observe properly. Okay, idura total echinodermata. Echinodermata nalli okay external fertilization is occurs, but indirect or direct development? Indirect development. Okay, so bipinnaria anta ಒಂದು larva is there. Bipinnaria is a larva. ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿರಾ students. Okay na? Bipinnaria larva we can observe in the echinoderms. Bipinnaria larva we can observe in echinoderms. Okay, ashtira. So these are echinodermata anta takshana water vascular system ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Echinodermata anta takshana, yes, okay na, adult stage is one type of symmetry and larva stage is another type of symmetry. That one also you have to remember. Plus spiny body, correct? Spines are present on the body and they are having which skeleton? Endoskeleton. Now they don't have exoskeleton. Endoskeleton they have. Endoskeleton. The endoskeleton is mainly made up of which one? Calcium carbonate. Adike So calcareous ossicles are commonly present ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Got the clarity students? Okay. But sometimes in the water vascular system, what is the flow of the water ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? So first of all, water entry. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ water entry ರಾ? Madreporite. Madreporite in the which canal ರಾ? Yes, ಓಕೆನಾ? Stone canal. Madreporite in the stone canal. From stone canal to ring canal. Correct? Sorry. Radial canal. Okay. Radial canal to which one? Yes. Lateral canal to which one? Tube feet. Tube feet in the water exit out. So like these different parts are there in the water vascular system, students. Clear? Okay, now we are discussing about what are the examples. Okay, so what are the example of asterias andre enda starfish. Ophura andre enda brittle star anta kirita, that is called brittle star, Ophura. Next one, Antedon. Yes, what we can call a sea lily. Echinus andre enda sea urchins, Echinus. Okay na? Yes. Cucumeria ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂದ sea cucumbers. Clear, students? Okay now, so these are the 5 examples given in textbook. Okay now, so what is there in the textbook, but that one you should learn, students. Okay, once again, asterias andre starfish. Sometimes in the option they won't mention the starfish name. Asterias anta mention ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Asterias andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. Starfish scientific name Asterias. Brittle star also, Ophura is called brittle star, and Antedon, that is called sea lily. Okay na? Sea lily. And ade Aplysia will comes under mollusca. Aplysia andre sea hair. Antedon, nodi, both are start with A. So Aplysia is sea hair, it is comes under mollusca, but Antedon is comes under which one? Echinodermata, that is sea lily. Echinus is also called which one? Sea urchin anta kiritra. And when we are discussing the platyhelminthes, okay na? Echinococcus anta ಒಂದು worm ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನದು? ಡಾಗ್ ಟೈಪ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. Echinococcus, that is dog type worm ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Echinococcus ಇದು Echinus, that is called sea urchin. Cucumeria, sea cucumber, same ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is called the sea cucumbers. Okay na? Sea cucumbers, or it is also called Cucumeria. ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, ಸಮುದ್ರ ಕುಕುಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is called echinoderms only. Understood, students? ಆ ಥರ sometimes we have to remember sea lily also. Sea lily, that is called Antedon. Sea urchin, Echinus is called sea urchin anta. These are the examples of echinodermata. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, main important points I already said, in which way they will ask the questions means 4 points they can give. Above the 4 points are 4 okay statements related to the which phylum, like that they can ask. Remember, students? Got the clarity? Can I go that one? The next phylum, Hemichordata. Next phylum is Hemichordata, students. Okay, small correction da. ಇದು ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್, ರೇಡಿಯಲ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್, ರೇಡಿಯಲ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ is not there. That is lateral canal, ring canal. Okay, small correction you have to do. Next we can go for Hemichordata. It is the last non-chordata phylum. That is called Hemichordata, students. Okay, so Hemichordata. Hemi means what? Half. Under half of the chordata characters are there. Half of the chordata characters are there. Okay, but previously they are included in the which file? Chordata phylum only. But why they are again they will back into the non-chordates? Because of stomochorda. Stomochord is present. Okay. Okay, next, what are the general characters of hemichordates? Come on, the hemichordate general characters same. Idu also triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical. Which animals are? Coelomates. But the coelomates nalli which coelom is there? Which coelom is present? Enterocoelom. Correct? Enterocoelom is developed from echinoderms. From echinoderms only. Okay, na? Coelom, mainly enterocoelom is developed. Hemichordates also having enterocoelom. Okay? Very, very important. This is called worm-like animals anta karitiva. Worm-like animals. It is also living in the which habitat? Marine habitat only. Marine habitat. Exclusively, these are also marine era. Hemichordates. Hemichordates also marine. Okay, but they are commonly living in. They are completely living in burrows of soil. Burrows of soil. Burrows means what? They will make the holes in the soil. Adralli badukutara. Okay, na? That is about burrows of the soil. They are commonly living. It is a worm-like animal. So this one also you should remember, students. Plus, body is cylindrical shaped. Cylindrical shaped bodies we can observe. Okay, cylindrical shaped body. A body is divided into how many parts? 3 parts are there. Speak out, students. What are the 3 parts? Proboscis. Second one in the collar. And the third one in the trunk. Proboscis, collar, trunk, and the 3 parts are there. Okay, next one. Digestive system, complete or incomplete? Complete. Digestive system is complete. Okay, and very, very important, circulatory system. Yes, open type of circulatory system is there. Open type. Circulatory system is open type. Very, very important. Which one is called excretory organs? Proboscis glands. Proboscis glands. Idu highlight madkoli, students. Proboscis glands are the excretory organs of this. Excretory organs of the hemichordates is proboscis glands. Clear? Okay. Idura major feature is there here, and respiration by gills. Respiration by gills. Gills are the respiratory organs or breathing organs. Let us we have to discuss about reproduction. Reproductionally, here male and females are separate or same? Separate is there. Adike sexes are sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. Okay, and which type of fertilization? External fertilization. External fertilization occurs same like echinoderms. Echinoderm also external fertilization, students. Okay, plus which one also present? Indirect development. Indirect development. ಈ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾರ್ನೇರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಇಸ್ ದೇರಾ. ಇದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟಾರ್ನೇರಿಯಾ ಲಾರ್ವಾ. Tarnaria larva. It is about the larva of hemichordates. And what are the examples of hemichordates, students? Yes, balanoglasses, sarcoglasses. ಈ balanoglasses ನಾವು ಟಂಗ್ ವಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟಂಗ್ ವಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. And sarcoglasses. Sarcoglasses, it is the best example for hemichordata. So for your understanding, I am drawing the diagram of hemichordata. It looks like a cylindrical shaped body, cylindrical worm like structures. It's about here, this is proboscis. First proboscis. Idರಲ್ಲಿ excretory glands also present. This is called collar and this is trunk. Here mouth is present. Mouth is present here. Mouth. And here anus is present. Era? Proboscis. This one. Where is trunk? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು given a book? Okay. Yes. These are the gill pores. Gill pores. And here a special type of hepatic region. The liver function they can perform. Okay, these are the complete parts: proboscis, collar and trunk, and the three parts are there in these structures. Proboscis nalli, come on, excretory organs are there. What is the name of the excretory organs? Proboscis glands. ಈಗ respiration by gills, gills only present, it is present in the collar region, okay. And reproduction is mainly sexes are separate, and external fertilization and which development? Indirect development, that is Tarnaria larva is present, Tarnaria larva, okay. Anaphora, this is hemichordata plus balanoglossus and sarcoglossus, it is also called tongue worm anta kirtira balanoglossus. This is hemichordata is finished. Clear students? Okay, na? So major important point andre circulatory system is open, this one you should highlight. Plus body, how many parts are there, that one you have to highlight. Plus where they are living, mainly burrows of the soil. Plus it is also marine habitat only they are living, mainly the seashore, okay na, seashore nalli they can make that one the burrows, in that one they can alive. Clear? Okay. After the hemichordata, come on, we can go for which one? Chordata phylum, we can go. Chordates is the last phylum in the Animalia, that is chordata. Remember students, on what base we are divided this one chordata? Yes, notochord. Remember students, notochord meaning it is a dorsal rod-like structure. It is developed from which mesodermal origin. It is commonly present in embryonic stage nalli it is present, that is called, okay, notochord. Those animals are bear the notochord, what we can call chordates, and those are not have that one, non-chordates anta kirtira. This is chordates ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ chordates same triploblastic bilaterally symmetrical coelomatic animals, triploblastic bilaterally symmetrical coelomatic animals, that is called chordates. ಈಗ chordate special feature in the notochord. So notochord is present, correct? Notochord is present, other non-chordates are does not have notochord. Second one in the pharyngeal gill slits, very important students, pharyngeal gill slits, okay na, pharyngeal gill slits are present or absent? Present. Okay, but what about in non-chordates? Non-chordates nalli gills are present, but mainly pharynx nalli develop agide gill slits are not present. Gills are there, but pharynx region nalli formation. Adikira, when we are present in the mother womb, in the first or second month of the pregnancy time nalli, okay na, fetus structure when you have to observe means we are also having the gills, but later they can closed, later we can close. Why? Because pharyngeal gill slits is the character feature of the which one? The chordates. Pharynx region nalli gills are there, such gills are what we can call pharyngeal gill slits. Mainly paired pharyngeal gill slits, paired andrinda they are not present in single, all are present in pair, either 4 or 5 or 6 like that one, pairs tara irutte, okay na. So paired pharyngeal gill slits are present, that is important students. Then what is the main important? CNS andrinda central neural system, correct? Central nervous system is dorsal or ventral in the chordates? Dorsal hollow ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಲ್, ಹೋಲೋ ಸಿಂಗಿಲ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ CNS, okay. And very important, post anal tail is present or absent? Present. Post anal tail is present, and which heart is present? Ventral heart or dorsal heart? Ventral heart we have, okay na. So ventral heart, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ criteria of chordates, okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ opposite characters we can observe in non-chordates. Once again students, okay, notochord is present in the chordate, notochord is absent in non-chordates. plus pharyngeal gill system. Mainly paid pharyngeal gill systems are present in this one, they are absent. Okay, third one, central nervous system. Here dorsal, their central nervous system is ventral. Ventral, and here whole ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ hard ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ solid ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ single ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ double ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು important students. Opposite character we can observe in the non-chordates. Understood students? Okay na? Because spinal cord our brain, it is a part of CNS, central neural system, correct? It is present in the dorsal, but non-chordates are having nerve and ventral nerve cord. Ventral nerve cord anta karitivali. Ventral side nervous system is present, but here dorsal side nervous system is there. Idu hollow andre soft ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ spinal cord ತುಂಬಾ soft ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is covered by, it is protected by whom? Vertebral column or backbone is giving that one the protection to that one the spinal cord ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ hollow ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ plus single ಆಗಿರುತ್ತರ ಅದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ 2 ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಲ್ ಟೈಲ್ ಈಸ್ present here. Post anal tail is absent in the non-chordates and ventral heart is present out there, dorsal heart is present. Okay, so one model diagram they are given in your textbook. Model diagram, maybe in your KCT level questions matra ee model diagram may they can ask. Okay, so in this one, are you observing students? This is about what is the first one? It is called narucada, notochorda. Which one? Nerve cord. This is about the nerve cord. Nerve cord. Kelegade, which one is present? Notochord is present. This is about the notochord. This is the notochord. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇನ್ ಎ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆನಾ ದ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಟೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ನೋಟೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ below the which one? The nerve cord, below the nerve cord. But in human beings nalli okay na notochord is completely modified into which one? The vertebral column ge convert agutte andre backbone ge convert agutte nama body nalli plus ee notochord madhyadalle which one is present? Nerve cord is present, correct? Spinal cord is nothing but nerve cord is present at the middle of the notochord in our body. Clear students? Okay na? But in the model diagram matra nerve cord is dorsal and the kelegade that is called notochord is present. That is important students. Okay, and this is about the mouth and this is about the pharynx region and this is about the okay tail. Ee pharynx region nalli gottide tane which one is present in the pharynx region? Yes, this is about the gills are present. Idu paid gills are present. This is called pharyngeal gill sheets. This is called pharyngeal gill sheets. Remember students? ಈಗ next one ಇದು anus region ನಲ್ಲಿ what is present? Tail is present. That is called post anal tail ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Post anal tail. Clear students? Okay, so ಇದರ ಮೇಜರ್ ಒಂದು model chordate diagram that is about the nerve cord first and notochord is second. Okay, in your KCT level as it is diagram may ask, as it is diagram ಕೊಟ್ಟು labeling ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು students. Okay na? That's why don't leave the diagram also. Okay, plus chordata non-chordata difference also in which way they can ask means in the following character chordates are differ from non-chordates. In the following character chordates are differ from non-chordate, like that questions may ask. That's why tabular column also don't leave. Understood? Each and every sentence of textbook you have to read properly. Okay students, these are chordate characters we discussed. Okay, next we can go for classification of chordata. So chordata is a phylum, correct? Each phylum can be divided into how many parts? 3 parts andre 3 subphylas anta helbodu. Chordata phylum ni 3 subphyla ge divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. That is what we can call Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Understood students? Chordata, it is a phylum. ಮತ್ತೆ subphylum ಗೆ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. 3 subphylums are there in this one. Subphylum, or it is also called subphyla ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ first of all Urochordata. The first one is called Urochordata. Second one is the Cephalochordata. and last one is vertebrata. Vertebrata, like that one, 3 subphylas. Idರಲ್ಲಿ first subphyla, that is what we name Urochordata. Euro means what? Euro means what? Tail ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Chordata ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾನೆ, notochord. Notochord ಇದ್ರೆ chordata ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ just before we discuss that one. Okay? So, notochord. So, notochord where it is present? In the tail region. Tail region ನಲ್ಲಿ notochord is present. Okay? ಈಗ next Urochordates ಬಗ್ಗೆ some points I can give. Urochordates. Urochordates ನೇ ನಾವು tunicates ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕರಿಬಹುದಾ? Is also called Urochordates is also called which one? Tunicates. Tunicates ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. Why? Because body covered by tunica. Body covered by tunica ಅಂತ ಒಂದು tunic. It is also called animal cellulose ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. Very important. Animal cellulose. Body covered by tunic. Tunic ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, it is covering that. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ they are also called tunicates. And these are sessile animals. Sessile animals means they cannot move from place to place. They cannot move from place to place. And very, very important, notochord is present in tail of larva. Nodi, larva. Tail region nalli notochord is there. Adult nalli matra notochord is absent. Adult one is not having the notochord. Larva is having the notochord. Larva nalli mainly which region? Tail region. Tail of larva nalli notochord is present. This very, very important, students. Andre, what you are understanding here? Larva is some more developed than adult. Generally, larva is low developed than the adult, you know. But in larva nalli notochord is there. Notochord, presence of the notochord is one of the advanced character or not? Okay, but here larva is showing the notochord but not adult stage. Adult stage does not have the notochord, students. Okay, this type of metamorphosis we can call retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis. This point very important. What is meant by retrogressive metamorphosis means? Okay, now larva showing developed characters, means larva showing notochord but not adult. This is called retrogressive metamorphosis. Ivella Urochordata characters. Example for Urochordata, which one? Headmeria. ಇದು ಸಿ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಹೆಡ್ಮೇನಿಯಾ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡೋಲಿಯೋಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಡೋಲಿಯೋಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ is the examples they are given. Character, students. And Acidia, Doliolum salpa. These are the 4 examples they are given. Yake sir headmania is called sea skirt andre nodi idu substratum. Ivella they can completely present as a sessile animal. Say it is a sessile animal. Say it looks like that one. Even the exam also given. And skirt tara irtare. Okay, no? Yes. Itara tunica. Sessile animals. Urochordates are sessile animals and body is covered by tunica. Tunica is present, students. Okay, na? Sessile animals. Plus notochord is present but in larva. Larva tail region alli notochord is there but not in adult. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ರೆಟ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್. ರೆಟ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯೂರೋಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಸೆಫಾಲೋಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಫಾಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ನೋಟೋಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಟೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ from head to tail region. Head to tail of adult larva of adult stage. but it is long lasting, another lifelong irritate. It is present lifelong, it is not again disappears. Okay, notochord is present from head to tail of adult stage. Remember students, cephalochordate nalli one of the excretory organs are there. What is the name of the nephridia? Protonephridia are the excretory organs. Protonephridia are the excretory organs. Remember students, protonephridia. Actually protonephridia, it is we can observe in the annelida. Annelida nalli nephridia is there. Okay na, protonephridia we can observe in even platyhelminthes and Aschelminthes nalli irutara protonephridia. So ಆ ತರಹ ಅಂಡರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಫಲೋಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ. ಬಟ್ ವೈ ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೋಟೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದೊಂದು ನೋಟೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಐದರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕೆಲ್ಮೆಂತಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನೆಫ್ರಿಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೋಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಲೋಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಫಲೋಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ. Okay students, and ಈ cephalochordate nalli also it is also free swimming, but they don't have particular head region is we can't see properly. Okay, diagram also given in your textbook. So like this one diagram also they are given. So this notochord is extended from head to tail region, plus so many muscles are present like this one. So many muscles are there like this. Okay, and perfect head matra it is not present. There is no perfect head formation in these animals. Okay, examples compulsory important students. What is the example for cephalochordata? Yes, okay na, that is called Amphioxus. Okay, remember Amphioxus say what we can call lanceolate anta kerida. Next, one more example, Brachiostoma. Yes, Brachiostoma. But generally which one is called lanceolates anta karitira? Amphioxus ne we can call lanceolates anta karitira. Lanceolate Amphioxus is the best example. Okay, last one is called vertebrata. Correct? So vertebrata nalli commanda notochord is replaced by which one? Vertebral column. ಈ vertebral column we can also call backbone. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ vertebral column either cartilage or bony. Correct? Either cartilage or bony part. But notochord ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ notochord is there, but later notochord is replaced by which one? Vertebral column. Even when we are present in the mother womb or embryonic stage, we have the notochord. Later our notochord place nalli which one is occurs? Vertebral column. Understood? So that's why all chordates nalli notochord compulsory. All chordates are having notochord, but all chordates are having vertebral column? No. That's why one quotation is there. All vertebrates are chordates. But all chordates are not vertebrates. This is the point is very important students. Understood? All vertebrates are chordates, but ಎಲ್ಲ chordates ಮಾತ್ರ vertebrates ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ vertebrates ಅಂದ್ರೆ only vertebral column animals ಮಾತ್ರ. Vertebral column, those who have, okay na, those animals have that one that is called vertebrates. And ಈ vertebral column either it is made up of cartilage or bony tissue. It is made. Remember students, okay? Vertebrates, what is the general characters? What is the general characters of vertebrates? Same, it is also triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, coelomatic animals. Come on, what type of circulatory system? Closed circulatory system they have. Plus, okay, heart is also well developed, that one. Heart is also well developed in the vertebrates. Okay, next, it is also either poikilothermic or it is also called, which one? Poikilothermic abodu or warm-blooded animals abodu. That is vertebrates. Okay, now we are discussing about vertebrates. Vertebrata classification we can discuss. Okay, their place is not good. Okay, but ille barutida vertebrates classification. Vertebrata is a phylum or subphylum? Subphylum. This subphylum again divide into divisions. How many divisions it is completely divided? You know, 2 divisions. What are the 2 divisions? That is called Agnatha. Second one is called Gnathostomata. Agnatha, Gnathostomata. And the 2 divisions are there. Agnatha meaning lack jaw. Okay, na? So jaw are completely absent, but yes, they can bears jaw anta helboda. Jaw is present. Jaw means what? Leja, aja, aja alla. Okay na? Ija. Okay na? That is called upper jaw and lower jaw anta karitira. Ee jaw mele which one is present? Teeth are present. So teeth are present. So jaw illa andre that is called agnatha anta karitira. A means absent. ಈಗ ಜ್ಞಾಥೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ. ಸೊ ಜ್ಞಾಥೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ. ಸೊ ಜ್ಞಾಥೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಏಗ್ನಾಥ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏಗ್ನಾಥನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ಜ್ಞಾಥೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ 2 ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ 2 ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೈಸಿಸ್ and second one is called tetrapoda. Pisces and tetrapoda, this about the super class are there. Pisces means what? They can bear the which one? Fins. Fins are present. And these are bears which one? Limbs. Limbs are present. Okay? Tetra meaning how many? Tetra meaning 4. Poda andre limbs. So 4 limbs are commonly present. But Pisces nalli limbs iralla. Instead of the limbs, which one is present? Fins. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪೈಸಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಈ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ chondrichthyes and second one is called osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes and the 2 classes are there. Again next one, tetrapoda nalli how many classes are there? 4 classes are there. 4 classes are there. Remember, name out. Amphibians, reptiles, aves and yes, mammals. Anta 4 classes are there. Even no class era. Okay students, Agnatha, Gnathostomata. So Gnathostomata is completely contain the bears. They bear that upon the jaw. Okay, ee jaw animals need 2 ಗೆ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ based upon the locomotory organs. Fins are the locomotory organ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Pisces. ಇಲ್ಲ, limbs are the locomotory organ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tetrapoda. Got it? ಮತ್ತೆ limbs containing Pisces ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 classes are there, chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. And tetrapoda ನಲ್ಲಿ amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammals. Let us we have to discuss Agnatha ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Next class, what is the name of the class? Cyclostomata ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay? What is meant by cyclo? Cyclo ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? ಮೌತ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಟಿಯೋಸ್ಟೋಮಾ, ಡ್ಯೂಟೆರೋಸ್ಟೋಮಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ meant by proteostoma? Yes, mouth is first developed from blastopore. Blastopore in the mouth develop ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what we can call protostoma. ಡ್ಯೂಟೆರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? later. Stoma ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? mouth. Mouth is not first formed, mouth is formed later. But blastopore in the which one is formed? Anus is formed first. Anus is first formed, later it is followed by mouth. That is important students, okay? Can you give the example for protostomes? Protostomes example? Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca is the best example for protostomes. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಡ್ಯೂಟೆರೋಸ್ಟೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಎಕೆನೋಡರ್ಮೇಟಾ ಇಂದ. ಎಕೆನೋಡರ್ಮೇಟಾ, ಹೆಮಿಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ, ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟಾ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಡ್ಯೂಟೆರೋಸ್ಟೋಮ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟೋಪೋರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೌತ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್, ಏನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್? ಏನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟೋಮಾ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಮೌತ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಈಗ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್? ಮೆರೈನ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಮೆರೈನ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೋಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, yes, very important. They are ectoparasites on big fishes. ಬೇರೆ big fishes ಮೇಲೆ they are commonly. Plus which mouth is present? Circular mouth is present. Circular mouth. Mouth is circular ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ and it is stick on the body of host. It is stick on the body of the host. Our host body is stick on ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ circular mouth. Okay, and very very important, it looks like a okay, and simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ cyclostomes are called jawless fishes ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. These are called jawless fishes. There is no jaw, but fish type ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Jawless fishes, that is called cyclostomata. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 to 15 pairs of which gills are there? Pharyngeal gills. Pharyngeal gills are present. Pharyngeal gills are present. 6 to 15 pairs. Very very important, students. Plus body does not covered by any scales. Okay na? So devoid of scales. Devoid means what? Absence. Devoid means absent. Okay? Devoid of scales and paid fins. Paid fins. Paid fin andrinda unpaid fins matra present. Unpaid fins are present. Unpaid fins are present. Paid fins are absent. Pair ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪೈರ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅನ್ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ಸ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೇನಿಯಂ ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಕಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. vertebral column both are cartilaginous, bonina, cartilaginous. This is important, friends. Both are cartilaginous. Vertebral column plus cranium andrenda skull bone plus vertebral column, both are cartilaginous. Plus very very important ಅಂದ್ರೆ reproduction. ಈ reproduction ಅಲ್ಲಿ command sexual reproduction is majorly present. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ also sexes are separate. Mainly pregnant female, ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Pregnant female migrates to which water? Yes, fresh water, ಅಂದ್ರೆ river water ಹೋಗುತ್ತರ. For what? Spanning ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ laying eggs laying ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. And later it die. After the spanning it dies. Mother ಸತ್ತೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Next, eggs will be hatches to form. Which one? The larva later it is become the adult is back to ಮತ್ತೆ water, sea water ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ತಾನೆ. ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ the movement of animals from stressful region to comfort region or more hospitable region. Correct? Stressful region to more hospitable region. Again they will back to original place when the stressful conditions are over, is called migration. Here also from sea water to river water they can migrate. This type of migration is called anadromic migration. It is called anadromic migration. This point is important. Anadromic migration. Okay, next here also larva is there, means what? Direct development or indirect development. Matte what is the name of the larva andre ammocetus larva anta karitara. Ammocetus larva, it is about the larva of the cyclostomata, students. So with the help of diagram I can explain cyclostomata. Cyclostomes. It is also cylindrical body. It is elongated. They are having that. So mouth is circular mouth they have. They are having circular mouth. Okay? Circular mouth is present. Are you observing, students? This is called circular mouth or round mouth. With the help of the round mouth, they have to stick on that one, the large fish's body. They can suck the blood. It is ectoparasites and ectoparasites on the big fishes. Plus, they are also having the gill slits. Come on, how many gill slits are there? Okay, now 6 to 15. This is called pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits, this is how many there andre 6 to 15 pharyngeal gill slits are present. Plus body is covered by any scales? No scales are present, but fins are present. But a single fin or double fin? Single fins matra andre unpaid fins are present. Igo ide unpaid fins. This is called unpaid fins anta karitara. Ide dorsal fin, this is called dorsal fin. This is first dorsal fin, this is second dorsal fin. Dorsal fin, this is called caudal fin anta karitara. Caudal fin. Caudal fin. Caudal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Tail ಇದೆ, pin ನಾವು caudal fin ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, but ಇವನು single ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. No one is having double. Okay students, plus cranium and vertebral column both are which one? Cartilages, sexes are separate, and very very important, now pregnant female they can migrate to fresh water. They can migrate to fresh water for what? Spanning. After the spanning, and they can die. Then eggs will be hatches to form which one? Larva. What is the name of the larva? Is we can observe Ammocetus larva. The Ammocetus larva again they will back to which one? Sea water. But when they will back to sea water andre after the adulta, before adulta? After adult stage only they can back to that. Yake sir fresh water hogutandre because eggs if they will laying in the sea water they will show that one plasmolysis. Yakandre hypertonic tane. Sea water is contain more salty. More salty means what? It is nothing but hypertonic. In hypertonic sea eggs cannot survive. Eggs cannot survive because they are showing plasmolysis. That's why the eggs will be die also. To avoid this one, the mother will be migrated to fresh water. There itself only delivery also completed there itself. They are give the birth to young ones. Means what? Only laying the eggs only, not give the young ones. Why? Because it is a oviparous animal. Cyclostomes are oviparous. Okay. After the spanning they will die, but larva if they will become adult only it will back to sea water. This type of migration again is anadromic migration anta karitara. Example is very very important. What is the example for this one? Petromyzon. Petromyzon ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? lamprey ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. Lamprey. Next one in the myxine. Remember students, myxine. It is also called hagfish. Myxine is called hagfish, or it is also called eel ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. Eel fishes. Eel fishes. A thara long ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರ. It is completely elongated body. Small, more or less on the small snake ತರ ಇರ್ತಾರ. Snakes ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, elongated body, small snakes ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is called eel. Myxine is called eel ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. But ಇದು Petromyzon. This is called Petromyzon. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits are present. Student, E point also important. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. Plus anadromic migration. Anadromic migration. Anadromism. How we can remember andre? I already said SRA anta. S andrinda sea water. R andrinda river water. Sea water in the river water ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ what we can call anadromism ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಗಿರಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೆಟಾಡ್ರೋಮಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. RSC ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ರಿವರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿವರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೆಟಾಡ್ರೋಮಿಸಮ್. ಕೆಟಾಡ್ರೋಮಿಸಮ್. ಬಟ್ cyclostomes ಮಾತ್ರ anadromism they can perform the anadromism students. Got the clarity? Idura Agnatha ovar. Agnatha means no jaw. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Agnatha ನಲ್ಲಿ how many classes are there? Only one class only is there, that is called cyclostomata. What is the common name of cyclostomata? Jawless fishes. Okay na? What is the shape of the mouth? Round shape. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸ್ಟೋಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ ಮೌತ್ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅನ್ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಲೇಜ್ನಸ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಕೆಲ್ಟನ್ ದೇ ಹಾವ್ರ. ಕಾರ್ಟಿಲೇಜ್ನಸ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಕೆಲ್ಟನ್. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೇ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ಆಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೇ. Plus heart also present, develop pumping that on the blood. 2 chamber heart is present, mainly cyclostomes only 2 chamber heart is present. This point also important. Plus anadromous migration is present. Anadromous migration is present. Got the clarity students? Idra cyclostomata. Cyclostomata ಆಮೇಲೆ next one ಇಂದ after the cyclostomata next one which division is there? Gnathostomata. Gnathostomata ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Their bears are jaw. Ignathostomes are very important. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 super classes are there. One is called Pisces, second one is called Tetrapoda. ಈಗ Pisces general characters, you only speak that one. Come on, the Pisces means what? Fishes ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ, what are the locomotory organs? Fins are the locomotory organ. How many chamber heart is present? 2 chamber. Pisces ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ fishes ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 chamber heart ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One auricle, one ventricle. Understood? And already we discussed about it. 2 chamber heart of these fishes ನಲ್ಲಿ what type of circulation is we can observe? Single circulation is occurs. Correct? So which blood only bring towards that one? The heart. Which blood? Deoxygenated blood. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತರ. Understood? ಅಂದ್ರೆ oxygenated blood never come to that one the heart. Such type of heart ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನೇಮ್ is there. Venous heart ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Venous heart meaning they don't have any specific, they don't have any oxygenated blood. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ it will be come to the heart. Heart is they supply the deoxygenated blood or pumping the deoxygenated blood to the which one? The gills for oxygenation. After the oxygenation, oxygenated blood again they never back to the heart. It will go to the body parts only direct. It will go to the body parts. Matte body parts inda matte deoxygenated blood is completely come to the heart. Like only one time only circulation is occur. Adike it is called single circulation. We can discuss in the body fluids and circulation. The single circulation is present. Plus Pisces are completely nothing but 5 kilothermic or it is warm blood animals. 5 kilothermic. 5 kilothermic meaning cold blooded animals. Correct? Cold blooded animals. Cold blooded animals, that is called Pisces. Clear? Plus what is the shape of the body? Stream like body. Correct? Body is a stream tara irutte. Adike they can easily swim in the water. Okay, stream like body we can observe. Well, a character feature, Pisces. Pisces means fishes. Fishes are having this character. Okay. Again, next class directly we can go for chondrichthyes, osteichthyes differences. Chondrichthyes, osteichthyes differences. Plus, okay, today we'll get extra class. Okay, in the evening I can finish. Okay.